Today, we're making these delicious blueberry cheesecake tarts. Perfect for any occasion, they're creamy, tangy, and packed with a sweet blueberry topping. This recipe yields 11 medium-sized tarts, and they're sure to be a hit. Here are the ingredients for the tart shells. For the cheesecake filling, you will need the following. And lastly, for the blueberry sauce. Let's make the dough for the tart shells. In a bowl, combine softened butter, powdered sugar, and flour. Mix until the ingredients are evenly combined and start to resemble a crumbly or sandy texture. Gradually add half of a lightly beaten egg, mixing gently until fully incorporated. This will help bind the ingredients together and create the ideal texture for tart dough. Continue mixing until the mixture forms coarse crumbs. Then, use your hands to gently press and combine the crumbs into a smooth dough ball. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Chilling helps firm up the dough, making it easier to work with when shaping your tarts. While firming up the dough, we'll make the cheese filling. In a medium bowl, add the cream cheese and butter, then beat until smooth and creamy. Ensure there are no lumps for a perfectly velvety cheese filling. Add the sugar and continue beating until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Next, add the whipping cream to the mixture, followed by gradually mixing in half of a beaten egg and the lemon juice. Stir until everything is smooth and fully combined, creating a rich and creamy filling. Finally, add the flour and gently mix until just incorporated, ensuring the filling remains smooth and lump-free. Transfer the cream cheese mixture into a piping bag. This will make it easier to pipe the filling into your tart shells. Chill the cheese filling for a bit to firm it up before using. Now, let's make the blueberry sauce. Mix cornstarch with a bit of water to create a smooth slurry. This will help thicken your sauce later for the perfect consistency. In a saucepan, combine fresh blueberries, granulated sugar, and a splash of lemon juice. Stir everything together and heat over medium heat to bring out the natural flavors and create a deliciously sweet blueberry mixture. Pour the cornstarch water mixture into the blueberry sauce, stirring constantly to thicken it to your desired consistency. Remove the saucepan from heat and transfer the blueberry sauce to a bowl. Allow it to cool completely in the bowl. This ensures it sets nicely on your tarts without melting the filling. Let's assemble our cheese tart, starting with the tart shells. Take the dough out of the fridge, remove the plastic wrap, gently press the dough flat with your hands, then use a plastic knife to divide it into equal portions, preparing them for shaping into individual tart shells. Take each portion of dough and press it into the tart molds. Make sure the dough evenly covers the bottom and sides, ensuring there are no holes. Once the dough is pressed into the molds, use a knife to cut away any excess. This will give your tarts a clean, neat edge ready for baking. Use a fork to gently poke holes in the base of the dough. This prevents the tart shells from puffing up during baking and ensures an even. Bake the tart shells at 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or until they turn lightly golden and crisp. Allow the tart shells to cool completely. Finally, it's time to assemble and bake. Pipe the creamy cheese filling into the pre-baked tart shells, filling each one halfway. Spoon the homemade blueberry sauce onto each tart. Top each tart with another layer of the creamy cheese filling, smoothing it out to cover the blueberry sauce. Once the tarts are filled, gently flatten the tops. Add a few drops of blueberry sauce on top of each tart. Then use a bamboo skewer to gently swirl it into the filling. Get creative with your designs. Whether it's a simple marble effect or something unique, this step adds a fun touch to each tart. Bake the filled tarts at 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. These blueberry cheese tarts are ready to be enjoyed. Now it's time to slice, serve, and taste the creamy, fruity goodness. Perfect for any occasion, these tarts are sure to impress. Don't forget to share with friends and family. Check out the full recipe at elleskitchenlife.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more delicious treats. See you in the next video. Happy baking!